Hey, I'm Marty, founder and CEO of freshOps. My mission is to help build amazingly simple operations software specifically for commercial cleaning businesses to help them grow and scale their operations while providing world-class support and customer service. We are here for you on every phone, call, email, and in-app chat for both you and your cleaners, which means you can get back to running a better business faster. freshOps is built using my 20 years of experience owning a commercial cleaning business and our wonderful clients' feedback. freshOps is the commercial cleaning industry's most trusted scheduling and operations app. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. We've ensured it imitates the core requirements of delivering a great cleaning service. This means we built it to be super simple to use for the team in the field and the management in your HQ. But let me be clear though, we've built a combination of features that gives you complete visibility of your cleaners in the field to streamline your service delivery and provide absolute proof of service for both you, your management, and your clients. I help business owners every day who are frustrated by using paper-based processes or just generic field services tools that no longer cut it in today's modern cleaning business. You know, these generic tools treat commercial cleaning like any other trades and services business. But after 20 years of experience, I know that couldn't be any further from the actual truth. Without commercial cleaning in their DNA, they simply won't fit your business like a glove, like we do at freshOps. You know, trades businesses typically turn up to one job, use their years of experience and trade training to complete that work. And they leave the site often rarely to return. These tools really lack the DNA of a commercial cleaning business. In the cleaning industry, we need to manage an often casual, part-time, transient, unskilled workforce that delivers, repeating and contracted services 24/7 across multiple locations with varying cleaning requirements and cleaning frequencies. In commercial cleaning businesses, we know you need to provide exceptional, reliable services over the long term, and consistency is the key, no matter how many cleaners will come and go within your business. So let's check out how it works. It's really simple. Your cleaners can view their future rosters at any time, then check in and out of their jobs on the freshOps mobile app and get to work, which gives your entire operations team visibility of who's on site and what they've been doing, and verify task completion live anywhere, anytime on any device from the freshOps dashboard. And with freshOps secure NFC and GPS technology, you can be confident your team is tracking the right time at the right place with industry-leading time and attendance technology. Your cleaners can unlock important site induction information and security access information such as alarm codes, door codes, lockup procedures securely in the field, which means no more sharing insecure access details and helps them get started on site faster, whether they're the regular cleaner or covering a shift for someone else. They can easily view all the cleaning tasks that need to be done in a simple dynamic cleaning checklist that displays the tasks required of them on that specific shift so that they don't have to try and remember when that high dusting is due. We also know that your team members need some coaching tips and reminders of how to perform their duties or in a way specific to that client. So we also allow you to add coaching tips using video and written instructions or standard operating procedures when and where your team need them in the app itself. This delivers better quality work aligned with clients' needs and reduces call to you and your managers to check on what and how work should be done. Cleaners verify the completion of these cleaning tasks via a simple tick box, photo verification, or with freshOps waypoints, which means you'll have absolute proof that your cleaners completed their cleaning duties each and every night. And they can simply add comments to tasks as well to keep you in the loop of what is actually happening out on site. To simplify your payroll, freshOps can export your timesheets ready for payroll, saving time in admin, chasing timesheets, rekeying data, and human error. We also developed in partnership with Xero our freshOps pay rules and timesheet integration that can send your timesheets directly into Xero at the push of a button while applying the correct penalty rates for shift work. Imagine that. No more chasing up timesheets and no more data entry. Need to reschedule a job or switch out cleaners? It's as simple as dragging and dropping jobs and cleaners on the freshOps calendar. Then keeping in the loop with notifications and alerts of late staff, incomplete tasks and more straight to your inbox. It's that easy. If you want to learn how to grow and scale on your own, be sure to check out our features page. But if you want to do it faster, I invite you to schedule a free Scale and Grow demonstration with myself or one of our product specialists. What we'll do on the call is dig deep into how you can implement freshOps to get the results you want for your business even faster. During this call, we'll cover ways you can have increased visibility of your team for improved service delivery, streamline your timesheet or attendance collections with super accurate records, and we'll share some insights on how the fastest growing cleaning companies are streamlining their service delivery while the owners are getting some time back to work on their business. You'll leave with a clear understanding of how having visibility of your team could be a game changer for achieving the results you desire faster in your business. So take a moment right now, book a demo, and then choose a time that works for us to schedule a call.